Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to have a custom ringtone. So first you want to go to Safari or Google and then search up MP3 juices. After that, it will take you to this page. Now search up whatever song you'll like. Obviously I'm doing a copyright-free song. And now listen and choose the one you want. And obviously this is the one I want. So now you want to click download. Now you want to click download again. And then click download again, and you can see where your downloads are in the right side corner of your screen. Now you want to go to GarageBand if you haven't downloaded it already. It's totally free. Now you want to go to audio recorder and press on that. And then now press OK. Now you want to go to the 4 lines on the top of the screen, and then now after that turn off the metronome and click the circle above. Now you can see all your downloads and files. Obviously I have a lot because I've actually done this before. Now if you can't find the one, you want to browse your files and choose the one you want. Obviously, it took me a long time to try to figure this out, actually. After you have found it, you want to drag it to the left of your screen, and you want to crop it. And don't forget to hit that plus on the right side of the screen and go to 25 or 30 seconds. I'm doing 25. Now you can crop it. You can crop it to however you want, which part of the song you like. And then make sure to drag it all the way to the left side of the screen again. And now listen to it and see how you like it. You could do your ringtone as short as you want. Now click the little down arrow and it will save your file. Now you want to hold on it and press rename, and you can name it the song or whatever you want. Now hold it again and go to the bottom or the top and it will say share, and now press ringtone. Now you can just press continue, or you can adjust it if you want, but I just click continue. Now you want to press export on the top right of your screen. It'll take a while, but a couple moments later it will be downloaded. Now you want to go to your settings and go to sound and haptics, and you want to choose ringtone. And obviously I've done this before. As you can see, I have a lot of downloads, and you can see that outside's right there, the song, and you could use that as your ringtone. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.